GCF, Junior Learning Zone.
A for apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. B for ball. B-A-L-L, ball. C for cat. C-A-T, cat. D for dog. D-O-G, dog. E for elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. F for fish. F-I-S, fish. G for grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. H for house. H-O-U-S-E, house. I for ice. I-C-E, ice. J for joker. J-O-K-E-R, joker. K for kite. K-I-T-E, kite. L for lion. L-I-O-N, lion. M for mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. N for nose. N-O-S-E, nose. O for orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. P for parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Q for key. Q-U-T-E-N, queen. R for rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. S for sun. S-U-N, sun. T for train. T-R-A-I-N, train. U for umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. V for van. V-A-N, van. W for water. W-A-T-E-R, water. X for X-ray. X-R-A-Y, X-ray. Y for yak. Y-A-K, yak. Z for zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Thank you.
Like, share, comment and subscribe to GCF Junior Learning Zone.